Hi everyone, let's do Tinakori Bistro's house-made Toulouse saucisse with white bean stew. The first thing I'm going to do is slice up the saucisse and add it to a smoking hot pan. While that's caramelizing, I'm going to dice up my bacon lardons and then I'm going to add them to the pan to also caramelize with the saucisse. Once that's done, I'm going to add the white bean stew to bring that up to heat. If I need to, I can let that out with a little bit of water or even some veggie stock so that we get a nice stew consistency. The next step is to prepare my garnishes. The cherry tomatoes, the parsley and the olives. After a little season, I'm then going to add my tomatoes and also half my parsley and half my olives. I'm going to save the other half for the garnishing. Once all that's done, I can give it a little stir and prepare it for plating. It's just me eating tonight as Prue's gone out on the town, so I'm pretty lucky that I get all this to myself. It really reminds me of when I used to live in France. So I'm going to finish it with those garnishes and the parsley pistou. And it's all ready to go. Even though Prue's not here, I'm definitely not sharing this with Tui. Sorry Tui.